Now we shall move on to the exercise 3.5. So let us see some questions. So here we are supposed to find out the solution using cross multiplication method if it exists, if the solution exists. If a unique solution exists, we need to find the solution, otherwise we need to mention what kind of solution it has. Okay, so that is the first question is solve the first one. The first one says that it is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is the first question, question number 1, the first question. So this is the first equation, and then we have the second equation as 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. So here it is very clear that, say, when you observe, this is 1 by 3, a1 by a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. So here we have a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So therefore it doesn't have a unique solution. Therefore it doesn't have a unique solution. Now let us see for the third case. The third case says that it is c1 by c2, and this is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore the given pair, the pair does not have a unique solution. Doesn't have a unique solution. Actually it doesn't have a solution at all, because the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel, inconsistent. Okay, so therefore we need not solve them. Now let us consider the second question. What is there in the second question? So in the second question we have, so this is the second question. Second question we have said 2x plus y equal to 5, and we have say 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, so in these two equations, what to do? We will just write down arranging the coefficients. First of all, we need to convert them into standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. So the constants to the right hand side. So converting, so this is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Then we have it is 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So then for cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method we need arranging the coefficients. Arranging coefficients. What do we get? We get x by equal to y by equal to 1 by. Okay, so this is 2, 3. We will not write it here, so we will close this. So this is 1, 2. Then we have minus 5 minus 8. Then we have minus 5 minus 8, and then it is 2, 3. Then we will close this. We will write 2, 3, and then we have 1, 2. So let us calculate. So x by bracket minus 8 minus bracket equal to y by bracket minus bracket, and this is again equal to 1 by bracket minus bracket. Okay, so this is 1 into minus 8, 2 into minus 5. Just fill the values. Minus 5 into minus 3, this into this. Sorry, minus 5 into 3, minus is already there. 8 into 2, minus 8 into 2. So 2 into 2, so this is 2, 2, this is 3, 1. Okay, so we have x by minus 8 and then plus 10. So we have y by 5 3 is 15 minus plus 8 2 is 16. This is 1 by 4 minus 3. So again you can simplify this as x by 2 equal to y by 1, and that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. So when you compare x by 2 equal to 1 by 1, you get x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So therefore x comma y that is equal to 2 comma 1 is the solution. This method is the simplest of all the methods. So I hope you have understood the method. You write it down and practice more questions. Shall do the next problem also. Okay, you can pause the video and note the problem. Now let us move on to the next question, and the next question says that we have, say, the third question. The third question says it is 3x minus 5y equal to 20. Then we have 6x minus 10y equal to 40. Clearly, the second equation seems to be a multiple of the first equation. When you multiply the first equation by 2, you get the second equation. So clearly the lines are identical. So when you, this is a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 6, b1 by b2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Okay, minus 5 by minus 10, and here this is minus 20, and this is c1 by c2 is equal to minus 20 by minus 40. Okay, I have taken the c on that side. So clearly a1 by a2 is not equal, means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All of them are equal to 1 by 2. 1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, again 1 by 2. So all of them are equal. Therefore, coincident lines, infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Okay, so therefore we have infinite solutions, and we need not find them using cross multiply. Let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is the fourth problem. The fourth problem says that this is x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, and we have 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. Clearly 1 by 3 and this is 1, so it has a unique solution. Clearly the coefficients, it has a unique solution. Okay, so clearly this is a1, this is a2, this is b1, this is b2. So clearly a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore unique solution. We have a unique solution. So there exists, unique solution exists. So let us find that solution. So how to find? By arranging coefficients. So by arranging coefficients. Now by arranging the coefficients. By arranging the coefficients, how can we arrange? X by, so this is minus 3 minus 3, this is minus 7 minus 15. Okay, by I'll close this, I'll write down minus 7 minus 15, then we have 1 3, then we have 1 by, that is, this is 1 3 minus 3 minus 3. Now let us solve this. So therefore this is x by, so 15 3s are 45 minus 45 minus. Now we can do it directly if you are clear with the bracket system. So 15 3s are 45 minus 7 3s are 21. So this negative sign is already there, don't forget. You may make a mistake if you don't use the brackets. Okay, so please be careful, and that is equal to y by 7 3s are 21 minus, then 15 into 1, minus 15 into 1 is 15, minus 15, again minus minus plus 15, that is equal to 1 by 3 1s are 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, so therefore x by, what is this? 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. This is equal to y by 6 minus of 6. This is equal to 1 by minus, 6. Okay, so we have x equal to, x by 24 equal to 1 by 6, and y by 6 minus 6 equal to 1 by 6. So from this part we get x equal to 6 into 4, 24 by 6, that is 6 into 4. So x equal to 4, and what is y? Y equal to minus 6 by 6, and that is equal to minus of 1 y. So the solutions are x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1. Now we shall move on to the next question, which says that we need to find the values of the unknown a and b if the following pair has infinite solutions. If it has infinite solutions means what? The a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are all equal, means the lines are coincident. If the ratios are equal, we say that the pair has infinite solutions. When does the pair have infinite solutions? It has infinite solutions if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, and that will be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so therefore this here what happens here, the pair has, here we have infinite solutions, okay, here we have infinite solutions. So therefore what happens? Therefore we can say that 2 by a minus b will be equal to 3 by a plus b will be equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so now I can form two equations from these two things and then solve those two equations in a and b. So that is what we can do. So let us first of all consider these two equations. Okay, so considering the first pair, what we have is, so from the first pair, from above we can have two equations. From above or from 1 we can have two equations. Above equation 1 we can have 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. Consider these two pair. Okay, so when you cross multiply you have 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b, which simplifies to, say if I take everything onto that side, we have, say 3a minus 2a becomes a, 3b minus 2b becomes minus 3b minus 2b becomes minus of 5b, and that is equal to 0. So a minus 5b equal to 0. Okay, then what we have is the next set. The next set can be taken as the first one with the last one, or the second one with the last one. Second one with the last one would be much better. If I consider this, so considering from 1 again, okay, again from 1 I will consider these two sets, that is 3 by a plus b equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so what happens is 3 3 is a 9a, 3 3 is a 9a plus 3b minus 6 equal to 7a plus 7b. Now taking everything to the left hand side, 9a minus 7a, 9a minus 7a becomes 2a, and then we have minus 7b plus 3b becomes minus of 4b, and then we have minus 6 equal to 0. Simplifying this thing further, we get a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. A minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. Solving this thing by substitution will be the easiest way, because we already have the coefficients equal. Okay, so from this expression, what I can have is, from this expression I can have a equal to 5b. Okay, we can have a equal to 5b, and here we have this equation. So these two equations, using these two equations I will substitute a equal to 5b here, and what I get here is, so this is a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0, a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. We will solve these two equations. So a equal to 5b, so we will put 5b minus 2b minus 3, and that is equal to 0. So 5b minus 2b is equal to 3b minus 3 equal to 0. So we have 3b equal to 3 or b equal to 1. or b equal to 1. Okay, so b is equal to 1. So when you put b equal to 1 in any one of the equations, especially this one, now we have a is equal to 5b, a is equal to 5b, that is equal to 5 into 1, and that is equal to 5. Okay, so for these two values, the lines will be coincident for these two values of a and b. So therefore the lines have infinite solutions for a is equal to 5 and b equal to 1. You can note this problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem says that for which value of k will the following pair have no solutions. So it is given that the pair has no solutions. It is given that the pair has no solutions, and we need to find the value of k. Let us see. So these are the given. This is question number 2, part 2. Okay. So it is given that find k if the pair has no solutions. No solutions. Okay, no solutions means either the lines are parallel. No solutions means the lines are parallel. They do not intersect. They are inconsistent. Okay. So let us see. So what is the question? Question here is 3x plus y equal to 1, and we have 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, if you take everything on this side, so c and c1 by c2 will be the same thing. Okay, so let us see. This given pair has no solutions. No solutions means this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Assume I am taking it the other way around for simplicity. Okay, so now this is first one, this is the second equation. So how to solve them? So before solving, we will understand it has no solutions. It has no solutions means the ratios of the coefficients will follow a pattern. Okay, so this is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. That is known to us. So we can write the given pair has no solutions. Okay, so therefore it is 2k minus 1 by 3 will be equal to k minus 1 by 1, which will not be equal to 2k plus 1 by 1. It will not be equal to 2k plus 1 by 1. So now what can we do? Now I shall be comparing. See, comparing these two will make no sense. So let me compare these two. Okay, so let me compare these two and see. So this is k minus 1 by 1 is not equal to 2k plus 1 by 1. Okay, so k minus 1 is not equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, so I can say that 2k minus k is not equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is minus 2 not equal to this is k. So for k not equal to minus 2, k is not equal to minus 2. For if k is equal to minus 2, then it will have solutions. For all values other than minus 2, for all values of k other than minus 2, the equation will have no solutions. Okay, for all values other than minus 2, for all k belongs to R. So for all real numbers, k except 2, all real numbers except 2, this particular equation will have no solutions. Okay, sorry, pause the video and note the problem. Let us now move on to the next problem of the textbook, which says solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution and cross multiplication. You can solve by substitution and cross multiplication. I will show you one of the methods of solutions. Okay, so the question number 3 says it is 8x plus 5y equal to 9, and we have 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So I will solve using cross multiplication method. I will be solving using cross multiplication method. So how to solve using cross multiplication method? We will first of all convert them into normal case. Okay, so how can we convert them into normal case? So that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, converting to standard form. So we have this stage. Now arranging coefficients. We can clearly see that 8 by 3 is not equal to 5 by 2, so therefore it will have a unique solution. Okay, so therefore it will have a unique solution. So how to arrange the coefficients? We know that x by, we close this is 5, 2, we have minus 9, and then we have minus 4. This is y by, this is 9 minus 4, and then we have 8 and 3. We have 1 by, this is 8, 3, 5, 2. Fine. So therefore what we have x by 5 4s are 20, negative, minus of plus 9 2s are 18. So this is equal to y by 9 3s are 27, minus 27, minus plus 8 4s are 32, and that is equal to 1 by 8 2s are 16, minus 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, so therefore what we have is x by, what is 20 minus 18? 20 minus 18 is 2, so minus of 2. Okay, so this is equal to y by 32 minus 27 is 5. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15 is 1. So you can have x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 is the solution. We are clear with three methods: substitution method, elimination method, and the method of cross multiplication. Now onwards, whatever problem comes to us, we will be solving using any of the given method, whichever we feel comfortable. Okay, so we will be using any of the following methods to solve the problems. Okay.